I'm filming the building. Don't threaten me, fella. Don't threaten me, fella. Don't threaten me, fella. You up. I'm filming the building. I'm filming the building, you prick. Hey, what's going on? I'm filming myself, fella. I'm filming the building. I'm filming the building. Don't threaten me, fella. Don't threaten me, fella. Don't threaten me, fella. You up. I'm filming the building. I'm filming the building, you prick. Agents of Babylon trying to prevent me from filming. Wow. This one is super interesting. Let's check it out. Obviously checkerboard floor. This is a big tell.
Hello.
Hi, I was wondering if the old post office museum was open today.
It's not an old office anymore.
Oh, it's just an office now.
Oh, yeah, it's not a post office.
Oh, okay, it's just the investment firm, no post office.
Correct.
Okay, thank you very much. Sorry to disturb you. Guess that answers that. There is no museum anymore. And they said it was... all the official records say that 20 Toronto Street was the temple, but looking at this building, the wide columns, the square columns and the round columns in the middle, and then the black door around the side. Maybe it was a post office. Yeah, I don't see it. However, this one... This is the gas company. So inside, very sturdy, high quality doors, bar association in there, nice marble. This is a proper building. Wait. It's the same guy. Swear I've seen him earlier. Damn. Quality of these doors. Maybe this was the... Excelsior Life Building. 1914. Excelsior Life. Square pillar on the outside.
Could I pass through without you filming, please?
End of Toronto Street on Adelaide,
Right,
and this building is across on Adelaide.
right.
And here it says post office somewhere.
Yeah, I can see that. But the one number 10 there also used to be a post office. Is that correct?
I heard there, yeah.
Okay.
Not sure which one is the first one.
And is it number 20 that used to be the lodge?
Used to be?
Used to be the lodge, the Masonic lodge, number 20.
Maybe long time ago.
Yeah, because I just wondered because of the stairs, but I couldn't find any information on it, so I was just trying to find.
20, there's some old ancient carving on the
Yeah.
lobby. Maybe you can see some information there.
Inside.
Inside
Okay.
the lobby.
Can I go through this way to
Yeah.
30? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, see where TV is, by the TV on the right side.
Yeah.
Ramp entering going Toronto.
Okay.
When you enter, go left and see walls. You will see carving like black stone carving.
Oh, excellent. Okay, I'm going to check that out. Thank you, sir.